back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial using the Norvina palette. I hope you guys are excited because I'm excited. This is the look that we came up with today. Very colorful. I'm like living for this look. So if you guys want to know how this palette performs and how well these shadows blend, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my base. I put primer, foundation, I did my brows, and I used the base for my eyes. That step wasn't really important, so I was just like, okay, like we'll just skip that. You guys see me do it like all the time, so I was like, okay, like no need for that. So we're gonna get started. Yeah, so pretty much the main focus of this video is my doing the eyes. So today we're going to be using the Norvina palette. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to just do this video in general. So yeah, this palette, I should have done like a first impressions video, but I didn't have time to actually film a video. When I did receive the palette, and I just went right in. I was like, okay, you know what, it's okay. I'll just do a video knowing already that it's freaking amazing. I'll just tell you guys. The palette is honestly one of the best palettes she's ever made. Modern Renaissance I have also the Prism palette. Modern Renaissance was like her first like, okay, everybody loved this palette, like it's amazing. I find it's more for like fall colors, but this palette is like more of like cool tones. As you see, it's stunning. I love it. There's a lot of shimmers, but there's a lot of mattes too. So I'll talk about, I'm not going to do any swatches because you're going to see it on my eyes anyway. I'm going to mainly use like most of the colors that I haven't used yet. Let's talk a bit about the shimmers. So the shimmers are really pigmented, let me tell you. Usually I always use Fix Plus, which is a setting spray if some of you don't know, which I'm sure all of you do know. With my shadows, well, mostly shimmer shadows, just because it will intensify the shimmer. But I tried these shadows first without Fix Plus. Well, I didn't even try it with Fix Plus, okay? I was like, hey, let me just go right in and try it without Fix Plus. And I was like, girl, this is super pigmented. Like, I didn't even use Fix Plus, and I'm telling you, with all my shadows, I always use Fix Plus, always. So I was like, okay, wow, I don't have to use Fix Plus. So that's one thing about the shimmers. The mattes too are very pigmented. They're so creamy, so blendable. Like, I'm obsessed. I want to go more into like maybe like the brighter colors today. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, so that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. It's pretty much just doing a look with the Norvina palette. Can you tell how excited I am? I can't even talk. I'm only going to be using the Norvina palette. Norvina palette. Anyways, actually I tweeted how much I love this palette on Twitter, and I tagged Anastasia, right? And she retweeted it, and like my phone is like blowing up, literally. Like I have right now at the moment, so I have 22 retweets and 410 likes, okay? And I was like, oh my god, Anastasia saw it. I didn't know she was gonna like retweet it, you know, but I was like, oh, I'll remember y'all when I'm famous. No jokes. Okay, so let's get started. I want to get started now. First things first, I'm gonna go in with Dreamer right here, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. This one's just really powdery, but it's so nice on the brow bone. Let's make this brow bone pop in. Now that we have our brow bone highlighted, I'm gonna go into the shade Love right here. So we're gonna pop that in our crease. Oh, it's pretty pigmented actually. Yeah, I'm not having any problems with it. It's blending pretty nicely. Yeah. Pretty pigmented too. You don't need a lot of product. I don't know what kind of look we're going for today. Just all I know is that I want to use more like brighter shades. Like mostly the colors that I haven't used. Okay, so I'm gonna just take a bigger blending brush and just blend out the edges. So I know some of you on Instagram wanted to see a video of my favorite products. So I will do that, like that will be my next video then. And I will film a video on my favorite products and why, and like basically products that I would recommend to you. And products, yeah, that I literally can't live without, so. Okay, so now I'm not sure which shadow to go in with now. But I'm going to take more of like a smaller blending brush. This one. What is wrong with this brush? Okay. I think what I'll do is I'll take probably Passion right here. I'm going to just focus it in the outer part of my eye. I've already used a bit of Passion, I think, on my lower lash line. It was super nice. Really pretty. So really just in the outer crease. Just to deepen it up. And I think like this shade would be really nice with the pink. I was just like so ready to like film my video on this palette. So I'm basically just tapping the product in and then I'm like blending it in circular motions. I can't believe summer is practically over. Like we're already, what day are we? We're August 29th. Like what is going on? I'm not ready. Like I love fall. I really do. It's like one of my favorite seasons. I'm just not ready for it right now. I'm still on summer. I'm still like, but summer just started. But it hasn't, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go back with that pink shade called Love. And I'm just gonna blend it a bit more together. I am going on vacation in September, which I'm so excited about. I'm going with my boyfriend. It was actually our 1-year anniversary on the 24th. And me and my boyfriend are going to Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. We're going for 1 week. I'm so excited. Like I really need a vacation. And what's better than spending your vacation with like your favorite person, you know what I mean? I think I'm gonna go into this purple shade right here. Okay, so right now I'm starting to apply this without Fix Plus just to see how it applies. Like I said, I'm really impressed with the formula of these shadows. So I will go in with some Fix Plus, just a tad. Just apply it. Yeah, it just makes a slight difference, just a tad. I think what I'm gonna do now, I want to add some glitter. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Glam Rock. So I'm basically just gonna apply it in like just the inner part here. So right now what I'm going to do is just apply some mascara. And then I'm going to go in with some false lashes. I actually saw my eyeshadow in a different lighting and it's so nice. It's like the matte shadows actually look kind of shimmery in a different lighting. But I don't mind that, so. Okay, well I'll just go a bit with concealer and then I'm going to go with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. That's been my favorite lately. Oh no, I have to sneeze. That's not a good thing. Okay, so now I'm just going to go with my Mineralized Powder by MAC in Medium Golden. I'm just going to set my entire face with this. And then I'm going to apply my lashes. Okay. So I applied the Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha. I actually just ordered them and I just received my package. So I was like, oh, let me go put them on. Okay, so I'm going to contour now. Oh, so I'm just contouring with my Anastasia kit. My Anastasia contour kit. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to contour my nose a bit. I need a close-up mirror. So now I'm going to just take my sponge. Actually, this one is from Morphe. It's like really good. And I'm just going to like cut the cheeks. I don't like to leave it too long, so. I'm gonna go with some blush. I feel like my contour is like way too harsh. So I'm gonna use the Extra Dimension Just a Pinch by MAC. It gives a nice glow too. So actually we're gonna go with some highlight now. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna go with Kitty Cat. So I'm gonna use actually the Anastasia highlighting brush. I'm gonna be mixing two highlighters actually. Oh wow. Thank you. Okay, my camera died. So basically I just did my highlighter. I used the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and I also put a bit of, where is it? Oh yeah. I used the anyways, I used this kit and I used like the purple shade in here. So I just like topped it a bit. I did my lower lash line. I used Wild Child in my inner corner, and then I used Soul on the bottom, on the lower lash line. So now I'm just gonna pop some mascara. I set my face already with some Fix Plus. I'm gonna finish the look now with some lipstick. So I'm gonna go with the Lip Pencil Whirl by MAC. Okay, and now I'm gonna go with the lipstick Baby's Alright. I think this, well, this was from MAC as well, but I think this was from the Nicki Minaj like lipstick collection or whatever. Anyways, it's a really nice one. Okay, I just added a gloss to it just because my lips were kind of dry. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this video on the Norvina palettes. Overall, this is an amazing palette. I absolutely love it. If you guys are looking for a palette just to like play around with some colors and stuff like that, this is amazing. It's a great palette. They're super pigmented. They blend super easily. I definitely recommend this palette. Definitely. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how the look turned out. I'm like feeling like princess vibes. Like, I don't know, but yeah, I'm super happy with this look. I think it's gorgeous. I think the palette is gorgeous. So this is pretty much the end of this video. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment whatever it is. Let me know if you love this look just as much as I did, or if you love this palette as well too. That would be great. I'd love to hear your opinions. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can click the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.